Hi, this is Lynn and Clay from Spencerport, New York, showing our GenStone project that we did over the summer. We started at this side of the house, the end of this house. We actually put a gable on the front of the house and then started the GenStone project. Even having a corner to do, which we thought was going to be hard, but it wasn't. And it came out beautiful. We used the Kenai color, which is a very nice pattern, very neutral. Looks so much like stone. This stuff is easy to cut, easy to put up. Doesn't take long at all, and came out just beautiful. We brought the stone all the way to the end of both garages to make it look uniform, and it was such a perfect addition to this house. When we were all done, we made pillars for the end of the driveway with solar lamps on both, which just made this whole project complete and really nice. I would recommend this to anyone. It's so easy to work with, it's cost effective, and makes a beautiful addition to anything you want to make out of it.